Question 8. I have a trapezium here. That's a trapezium. So trapezium means when you have the two parallel sides here. Yeah, and that'll be A, that'll be B, and then you got the height between them, and then you got the slant. So with this trapezium, it says calculate the length of BC. So this is BC. So what we have in this situation is that we can draw a straight line through, right? So that's a straight line through there, which means this is a right angle. Now, this length BC is the same as this length from there to there. So what I'm saying is we know that point. We can find that bit here if we can calculate this length here. How can we calculate this length here? We can't, because this length from there to there is 15 centimeters, and that's 17 centimeters. And that's a right angle triangle. You know, to use that value, the Pythagoras, you need two values, two known values to find a third one. So you have to have two known values. You have to know A and B to find C. You have to know A and C to find B, or you have to know B and C to find A. So you have to know two values. So we know this one here is the longest side here, and that's the other, these are the smaller sides. So this has to be C here, because it's the longest side. You can call that A, you can call that B. If I find B, and I take away from 12, I will get this bit here. And that bit here is equal to BC. So let's do that. So C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. But I'm calling this bone A, and I'm calling that bit C. I need to find B, so I need to leave B where it is and move A to the other side, or take away A squared from both sides. So I can then say B squared is equal to C squared minus A squared. So I've just moved that A squared to the other side. That'll become minus because it's a plus here. If you cross over, you'll be minus. Or take away A squared from both sides. I don't want B squared, I want B. So B will be plus or minus root C squared minus A squared. But this obviously is a positive number, so I'm just going to be using a positive value. So B will be equal to root C squared minus A squared. So this means plus. If there's no sign in there, it means plus. If it has to be negative, you have to put a negative there. If it has to be negative, you have to put a negative there. Otherwise, if there's no sign, it means it's positive. So we can now populate this with this value. So B will be square root. C is 17, so that's 17 squared minus A is 15, so that's 15 squared. So B will be equal to, what I can do, I know 17 squared. I could do it here, so cancel that. So 17 squared is 289 minus 15 squared. So let's just do it here. Square root 17 squared minus 15 squared. That's 8. So that means that would be root 64. And the root of 64 is 8. So that's 8 centimeters. If here is 8 centimeters, what would that be if the whole thing is 12? So the whole thing has to be, this one has to be 4 centimeters, which makes that 4 centimeters. How do I get that? It's going to be 12 minus 8 centimeters to be equal to 4 centimeters. That's 12 centimeters, by the way. And this is 4 centimeters.